You are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. So let's go straight into that. The question says that find the value of x in the diagram, and there's the diagram. This is where x is. So this is actually a two-in-one question. Then the second one says that what is the value of y in the diagram? So the same diagram, they want you to find the value of y. So how do we go about it? Now there are so many ways to go about solving these questions, but because of how limited my time is in terms of teaching this very particular question, I'm going to limit it. Okay, so one of the ways that you can go about finding x is, when you have something like this one is parallel to this line, they are moving this way. So the angle at this side and the angle at this side, when you put them together, we call it co-interior angle, and the sum of that is equal to 180, meaning that if you want the value of x, okay, that will be x plus 125 degrees equal to 180 degrees. All right, and what do? You have x to be equal to 180 degrees minus 125, and the value of x now becomes what? 55 degrees. All right, when you add this, that will be 60. What? That's yes. So come here, see that the answer is this. So that is one approach that you can go about with it. All right, another approach is for you to you have something like this. All right, and this side is 125, so you can use this as angles on a straight line. Can represent this by a, so that will become a plus 125 equal to 180 degrees. Then you make a the subject, so a will become 180 minus 125. Then you have a to be equal to 55 degrees. So meaning that this side becomes what? 55. All right, now having gotten your 55, you can use this. You have what you call alternate angle. What it means that the angle at this side is equal to the angle over here. So the angle at this, you see, is forming something like a Z. It is alternating. So that means that the angle here is equal to that angle at this side. So that's also another approach that you could have gone about with it. All right, let's continue. So that is how to find the value for x. Now, how do we find the value for y? So we just found the angle at this side. Having found the angle at this side, look at the position of where y is. So you can say that 50 plus this 55 plus what you have over here, which is the y, should be equal to 180. And what is the reason? The sum of angles in a triangle. All right, so you have it this way. This side is 50 rather, and this side we've calculated it for to be 55, and you have y here, meaning that you have 50 degrees plus y plus 55 degrees equal to 180. So when you put it together, what do you have? You have y plus 105 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And you have to write the reason, the sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180. So y equal to 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. And you have y to be equal to 75 degrees. And come and choose from the option over here. I believe that this is very simple. Kindly take your time and watch the video again to get more understanding on how we went about solving this question. Kindly like, share, comment, and repost.